In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop your images and how to edit image sizes on Wix. Whether you're looking to showcase your photos or simply want to make your website more visually appealing, understanding how to manage your images is essential. Let's walk through this process step by step to make sure your images fit perfectly on your Wix site. First, we begin by heading over to the Wix website editor. This is your go-to place for all things related to website customization. If you haven't logged in already, simply enter your credentials and select the site you wish to edit. Once inside the editor, navigate to the page or section of your website where your image is located. Next, identify the image you want to adjust and click on it. When you hover over the image, you'll notice different options popping up. Clicking directly on the image allows you to access those editing options. Once your image is selected, you're a step closer to resizing or cropping it just the way you want. You'll see a small circle at the corner of the image. This is the resize handle. Clicking and dragging this circle allows you to adjust the size of the image. For instance, if you want a larger display, drag the circle outward. If you prefer a more compact look, drag it inward. Being able to manually resize the image gives you plenty of flexibility in how the image appears on your page. Once you have the desired size, the next step is to click on the Edit Image option, which opens up further tools for you to enhance or modify your picture. This option is particularly useful for tasks beyond basic resizing like cropping or color adjustments. Click it, and a new menu will appear. In this menu, select Crop and Extend. As the name suggests, this tool allows you to not only cut down the image to your preferred dimensions, but also add extra space around it if needed. Cropping is excellent for removing unwanted sections of the image, making sure that only the best parts are displayed. Simply drag the borders of the cropping box to include or exclude parts of your image. Extending is handy when you need more space, say for a caption or decorative border. After making your changes, it's crucial to save your progress. Look for the Save button, often located at the bottom of the editing menu. Hit Save to ensure your work is not lost and is automatically updated on your website. By saving these changes, you're sealing in the edits and ensuring that your site visitors see the new, polished version of your image. And there you have it. With these steps, you can easily crop and resize your images on Wix, ensuring they complement your website's design beautifully. Experiment with these tools, and you'll quickly notice how thoughtfully edited images can elevate your site's aesthetic appeal.